Prime Minister, new measures brought in for the northeast of England yesterday. This has been confusing people ever since. Can you tell us whether people can still meet from different households in a pub garden outside? Can you tell us whether that's the case? One of your ministers couldn't this morning. And can you therefore understand why people are saying this is getting very, very complicated for people to follow these rules? And if they get them wrong, they could face big fines.
Andy, look, the first thing to say is I totally understand people's feelings about this, but I think the vast majority of people also understand that you know, we need to be getting this virus down, allowing people to continue in education and keeping our economy going in the way that we are. That is absolutely vital. Now, on the rule of 6, outside the areas where, such as the northeast, where extra measures have been brought in, it's 6 inside, 6 outside, and in the northeast and other areas where extra tight measures have been brought in, you should follow the guidance of local authorities. But it's 6 in a home or 6 in hospitality, but as I understand it, not 6 outside. That's the situation there. But clearly, for everybody watching this, and I appreciate that, you know, this is one of those things that people will feel is confusing. Just bear in mind, we are fighting a pandemic with the tools that we have, which is the great common sense of this country. It was very, very effective in March and April. It worked in driving the virus down. We need it to work again. We all need to pull together, follow the guidance, wash your hands, cover your face in the settings where in enclosed spaces where you should, keep your distance, get a test if you have symptoms. That's the most effective thing we can do. But in the areas, Andy, where there are particular measures that have been brought in by local councils or by the government, then look at the guidance for exactly what you should do in those cases.